What is up, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here, and I'm super excited to bring to you all this week's property tour of a stunning penthouse in downtown Miami at the Marina Blue condo building. Now, for those of you who don't know, Marina Blue is located across the street from what used to be named the American Airlines Arena, now named the FTX Arena, and it has some of the best views you will find in the downtown area and pretty much all of Miami for that matter. I recently rented this penthouse to a client of mine for $19,000 per month, and from the second that you walk in, you know that you're looking at something truly special. And trust me when I tell you that it's not every day you come across a two-story penthouse with panoramic views of both the bay and the city, even at this price point. Let's dive right into the video, but before we do, become part of the Miami Property Tour community by clicking on that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted of my next week's video, and of course, support the channel and support me by clicking that thumbs up button. Okay, so that pretty much sums everything up. Now, enjoy the stunning penthouse property tour. Semi-private is the best way to describe this elevator entrance since there are only 2 units on this floor, so it's just you and your neighbor. As we walk in, the first thing you will notice are the big slabs of tile flooring. And if you pair this white flooring along with 20-foot high floor-to-ceiling glass, what you will get is a very, very bright apartment. I caught myself wearing my sunglasses many times when inside of this apartment, believe it or not. This home, or this sky home, is basically a box of natural light, which just makes this space even look larger and more grander than it already is. The main focal point is, of course, the view, and the glass that wraps around this entire condo does a great job in highlighting its best feature. But the property also just flows extremely well. You have your main living room, which is of course what you're greeted at when you walk into this property. But then from there, you seem to flow perfectly into the dining and the kitchen area along with the rest of the home. The layout works great as well, as you have a total of 4 bedrooms, 2 on each floor, and a total of 4 full baths. The entire property is just shy of 4,500 square feet of interior space, and it also includes 3 full balconies. And on top of all of that, you still get 4 parking spaces included in this rent, which if you live in Miami or if you're not aware, is extremely hard to come by nowadays. So truly marvelous views of the city and the bay. You get sweeping bay views, and really the balcony does an amazing job to accentuate these views because really they look just as good in the day as it does at night. And the position and vantage point that you get from up here really allows you to see Miami in all its glory. I mean, we have, of course, the city of downtown Miami, where you can also see Brooklyn, you can also see in many cases the Phoenician Isles, you can see Miami Beach, and you just have a great view all around. Of course, you're also very well positioned. As I mentioned earlier, you have the arena across the street, but you also have Bayside Market, you have the Ham Museum, you have the Frost Museum, so everything is walkable from here. These views, man, you just cannot beat these views. And as I mentioned, at $19,000 per month, I know that is a hefty price point, but even at a higher price point, it will still be tough to beat these views. So as we make our way to the second floor of this penthouse, almost loft style, if you will, you'll notice that because on the right-hand side, which is the bedroom that we're going to go into now, is not enclosed by a wall, so by any means, it could theoretically be bedroom, as we get in, all the rooms, you'll notice the same theme throughout. You have your master shower in the middle of the room, and then your bedroom to the left of that, of where you would actually add your bed, and of course all your living space, and then the bathrooms are to the right of that. So both rooms on the top and the bottom share this feature, and I think it's a great feature as well, but it is very unique in these type of penthouses. And of course they're not for everybody, but I do think that it adds a very nice modern touch and feel, and it really goes nicely with the theme of this home, which is sophistication, modern luxury, and of course just these amazing views. And it plays extremely well with the type of bathroom and the actual room theme that it has. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this property tour video, and if you did and you enjoyed the content, to show your support by giving this video a like and clicking that thumbs up button goes truly a long way to helping me grow this channel. Make sure you continue watching more property tour videos just like this one by clicking any of the videos that you see here on screen. Thank you so much for making it this far. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, I'll see you all next week. God bless.